The difficulty of sharing chores largely depends on the team's attitude. Yet, the tools used can be helpful. Let's explore various chore sharing scenarios and identify the tools that are most effective for each. Let's take a trip to our childhoods. Does anyone recall something like this? Yes, the classic chore chart. It's a form of sharing responsibilities in its own way. It liberates parents from reminding kids to brush their teeth, make their beds, or tidy up their toys. On the same go, it encourages kids to be more independent. Dividing chores between two people, it's quite straightforward. One person washes dishes on even days and the other on odd days. For weekly tasks, such as buying groceries or vacuuming the apartment, alternating between even and odd weeks works well. No special tools are needed for this method. Things get a bit more complex with 3 or more people. This is where the chore wheel could be useful. One could have daily and weekly chores on the same wheel and rotate it, say, every week. What if not all chores can be done by all members of the team? Let's say buying groceries is done by parents, mowing the lawn by Sam and Bob, and unloading dishwasher by everyone. Using a chore wheel for each group could be a solution, though we might end with many chore wheels. Chore counting would work better in this situation. In addition, it accounts for team members forgetting or not being able to do the chore on specific days. For instance, if Sally has washed dishes 5 times and Bob only twice, it is definitely Bob's turn. This way, everyone contributes equally. Now, let's introduce the time dimension to our chores. Let's say test fish tank water every 5 days, administer dog's medicine monthly, replace the air filter every 3 months. In these scenarios, it is essential to know about whose turn it is and when the chore is due. Tracking this on paper can be quite challenging. This is precisely why we created Chore Pie, an app specifically designed to manage complex household chore scenarios. Check it out at chorepie.com.